The Ukrainian defense minister said that the army high command was ordered by President Volodymyr Zelensky to deoccupy the south of the country to reclaim the regions on the Black Sea coast that are of vital importance to the economy of the country. "We understand that politically it is necessary for our country," says Reznikov. Deploying up to 1 million troops to try to regain territory would be a significant political and morale boost. But there are also key economic reasons to preserve access to the Black Sea. But the truth is that much of Ukraine's military effort and resources are already being consumed by fierce fighting in the Donbas. "We have spoken to a number of units that have already lost more than half their troops and need reinforcements." Ukraine's confidence has been boosted by the supply of more advanced long-range artillery systems, but still not in the number Ukraine says it need. The question is whether Ukraine is really yet ready to conduct a major offensive in the south while its forces try to halt Russia's advances in the east. "I've been told that Western politicians have already made clear to senior Ukrainian politicians and military commanders that now is not the time to try to launch a major counteroffensive. It may be good for morale, but it could easily stall." So far, Ukraine's counteroffensive operations around Kharkiv and Kherson have had limited success. They still need time to rebuild their army. Russia's own initial invasion of Ukraine highlights the dangers of fighting on multiple fronts. It failed to achieve most of its objectives. It's only seen some success in the east by concentrating its forces. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week, it's 6 rescues in 6 days. He's doing the job every day.